Basically, it started in 2012 through the previous headmaster, Mr. Rees. There was an interest with Gypsy community. They were interested in doing a higher education qualification, and there was a need here. But we were only delivering it in Carmarthen campus at the time. And they felt that they didn't want to come over to Carmarthen campus. They didn't want to come out of their own environment. So we did decide, okay, we'll run it in Monkton School, and we come out to the community. It's targeted for teaching assistants or learning assistants in schools. So basically they work placements in the day or work settings, and then we come out to them in the evening and they come to us to be taught the foundation degree and the BA in inclusive education, the programme itself. Monkton is our base because of the excellent partnership working we've got with Launch within the school and also the school themselves. So we've used the school, which is the main hub of the community. So basically they feel safe coming here for us to teach this model, because a lot of individuals have been out of education for years. And by providing them this safe environment within the school, they were happy to take part in the programme. We offer them confidence, building the skills, building, well, the pastoral care we've got from them as well, because many have got issues within their lives and factors, whatever, you know what I mean? And basically we're there to support them. So we come down here on a weekly basis, 4 weeks to every module, and this is how it's been. Well, I've been doing it for the last 6 years, and this is why we've had such great numbers here, and the support of the school and that partnership working, which is giving us the benefits for everyone, you know. Up to the academic year of 2017-2018, we've had 59 individuals coming through that's gained their BA full honours degree, and out of those 59, 18 GRT individuals gained their BA in honours degree out of those 59. There's that path, you know, where basically their children see mum and dad sitting at the table to do their college work, and the kids will be with them as well, doing their homework. So it's that transferring those skills down, you know, well, mum's learning here, so I'm going to do the same type of thing, you know what I mean? So it's transferring those skills down as well, and hopefully they'll take these skills with them throughout their lives. Everybody's treated the same. We're all on the same level. And that's the main ingredient to build that relationship with them. And to be on the same level as them, you know, it's me and it's them, or my other fellow lecturer. It's that, you know, we're on the same level. It's not me and them, but there. And to gain that trust, you feel you've accomplished gaining that trust of them. Whenever I come down here now, you know, I might see them in the community and they still, you know, acknowledge me, and you feel good about that, you know what I mean? You know you've done something right, that the trust is still there. You need a linchpin, and the linchpin we've got here is the Launch. We do market our programme, but with Launch being in the school as well, got a very close relationship, working relationship. Partnership working is a must for individuals to gain what they want. And without that partnership working, we've got to help each other. And without that, I don't think, you know, we'd have the achievement we've had. Plus, the staff of the school as well, you know, we can't thank them enough. It's all individuals working within this school. When we run our courses here as well, there is a free creche facility. So they'd have to look for childcare and worry about it. They can come along, pick their child up from school, come along here in the creche, they get taught for us for 2 hours, and everybody's happy.